Tonight, we have a reputed Odissi dancer, Srimati Itashri Mahanti. She has performed in different states of India. Itashri started her training in Odissi dance at the tender age of 11 with Guru Manoj Behra, a disciple of late Guru Dr. Deba Prasad Das. Itashri is an accomplished dancer with grace, expressiveness and technical mastery. The first dance to be performed by Itashri Mahanti is Mangalacharan. Mangalacharan is an invocation to Lord Nataraj Shiva for his blessings. According to the epics, Ravana too chanted the shloka for his blessings. Mangalacharan is based on Raga, Pahadi and Darbari, Tal, Iktali.
Madhusudanam Mangalam Pundarikaksham Mangalam Garudadhvaja Sakalakarjeshu madhavaha Jhilli jharjharika mudangapataha Herisha shankhadhvani Veena dambaru mrudanga mahuri Ghantaravo gharghari Tambura krutakaratani Kahani taladhvaja Ete vadosha bhosha saitam Puravantu te Mangalam Kamani